Mamelodi Sundowns may have fallen short on the scoreboard, but their fearless performance against Bundesliga giants Borussia Dortmund in the pulsating 4-3 defeat at the FIFA Club World Cup on Saturday left the head coach Miguel Cardoso with mixed emotions. Pride etched into his voice, yet disappointment in his eyes. In a thrilling Group F encounter played in sweltering 30-degree heat at GQL Stadium, the South African champions stood toe-to-toe with one European's elite clubs and nearly staged a remarkable comeback after trailing 4-1 with just over 15 minutes to play. Cardoso said in the post-match press conference, "We are not happy, and that's actually a beautiful thing, because it means we believed, we competed, we went out there and matched Borussia Dortmund on stage where very few African teams get to showcase their level." The Brazilians drew first blood in the 11th minute through a brilliant solo effort by Lucas Ribeiro, but Dortmund responded with the characteristic German precision, clinically converting their chances and racing to a 4-1 lead midway through the second half. Yet Sundowns refused to fold. Just 2 minutes after conceding the fourth, striker Ekrem Reynolds pulled one back to ignite belief in the yellow and the blue camp. As the clock ticked down, Lebo Mothiba made it 4-3 in stoppage time, setting up a nervy finish as Dortmund clung to their lead. Cardoso said in the final stages you could see the shift momentum. The Dortmund wanted the whistle and we wanted more. That tells you everything about the character and ambition of this team. Though the result didn't go Sundowns' way, their fearless approach and plaudits from neutral and pundits alike. For Cardoso, the bigger message was clear: Sundowns belong at this level, and that people need to understand who Borussia Dortmund are, their quality, their heritage. For us to deliver a performance like this against a team of that caliber is a huge testament to our players, our system, and our philosophy. Despite the disappointment of defeat, the Sundowns camp walks away with heads held high and momentum firmly intact as they prepare for their next challenge. Cardoso was also quick to underline the importance of learning from such high-level encounters and said when you play against teams like this, they punish every mistake. That's the reality of world football. But this experience will only make us sharper, stronger, better as the dust settles on a match that will be remembered for its drama, quality, and courage. One thing is certain: Mamelodi Sundowns did more than just compete. They announced themselves to the world. Cardoso said, "We are not happy with the loss, but we are incredibly proud, and sometimes that pride carries more weight than the scoreline." Meanwhile, Borussia Dortmund star Job Bellingham has offered an explanation for his team's struggles with the ball possession during their recent match. Bellingham commended Sundowns' game. He implied that the extremely hot midday weather conditions were a key factor in his team's difficulty in maintaining ball possession. He said the conditions made it so difficult, especially for us as European team. Sundowns played a fantastic game, and I'm sure they are used to that kind of weather, but it's something we're gonna have to adapt as the tournament goes on. And these are just the demands of this competition. So it was really difficult in a game like that. You have to find solutions and try to play fast. I think eventually in the game we did much better and we can build on it. Having secured 4 points from their first 2 games, Dortmund has climbed to the top of Group F table in the FIFA Club World Cup. Their final group stage challenge will be a clash against Alten HD on Wednesday. The tie will be held at the GKL Stadium. Sundowns currently sit third in the group with 3 points after 2 matches. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.